This is video 2 of the KH53. Here we'll be going over mounting, zeroing, and tolerances. So there are different tolerances depending on if you're using the advanced or just the standard model. And this is referenced in the manual itself. So for the standard model, we need to be 25 millimeters. The magnet, the target from the encoder itself, with a plus or minus of 10 millimeters. While with the advanced, we have 55 millimeters worth of range. So right now I have just the standard model of the KH53, and I've got 2 test pieces here. So they are labeled here at the end depending on which one it is and which section it goes to. So if you have multiple sections, there will be 2 pieces that connect to each other, and this is one section. So for my next section, there is a gauge that comes with them, and this gauge is also a 2-piece section, but it is also labeled here A. Since this is A01, I'm using the A ones. I'm going to need an A gauge. So how do we set these up for the next set of targets or magnets? This side's got a hole in it. You see, this does not. So this is A1. This is the starting position for this set. So what I'll do is, see if I can slide this over. This side has a hole in it. So all I'll do is line up the 2, slide it in that hole, and now the other side has an offset as well. So that's where we would put the next section, having that spacing in between the 2. So once those are together, right now we said this is the standard model, and we need to be 25 millimeters away from the magnet, with a plus or minus of 10 millimeters. So right now I've got just this material here, and I'm sitting right about 26 millimeters away from the target. So I'll go ahead and put these together, because I know that this is the A001. I know this is my starting point. And what I'll do is we'll line up the center of this hole with the reference mark here so we can get a 0. Once I've got that lined up above the top of it, now I can come back to the software that we connected in the last video. And once the sensor is connected, now we can come here to, let's see, that I use read position. Now we can set our 0. So before I set the 0, let's go ahead and measure. I'm just going to come from the end here to the next section, so we've got something to reference off of. So to the center, 1110 millimeters to this next section here. So what I'll do is I'll put it here, put it on the reference position. Make sure that they're both parallel. Put the center point there, and I'll go ahead and set my 0. Now, once the center point gets over the reference position, should see like 1110 millimeters. So pretty close. So that's how you set them up and zero the KH53.